What's up guys, BNVLNT. Today I'm showing y'all how to sound like VAX. And if y'all don't know who VAX is, I don't know where y'all been, because VAX has been in so many of our song wars, and he is a super talented artist who's been around in my community for a while now.
Yeah, come outside. Yeah, come outside. Yeah, come outside.
I'm so happy to see him actually blowing up, because I have been saying that he was next up since like 2024. So yeah, to see him actually be successful is just amazing. I'm not gonna glaze too much, but I do want to say this preset is not gonna sound very accurate. I have tried so many times to do a VAX preset and my voice just doesn't sound like his, and I feel like the preset is pretty similar, but if you're expecting to like immediately put this preset on and sound just like him, don't expect that, because his voice is just built different. But with that being said, I do think I did a decent job. Also for this video, I chose to do two different presets. I made a VAX preset before this new album dropped, and I was gonna drop it and I just never got around to it, so I did a preset to Buddy Buddy, and then the album dropped and I also decided to do one on So Good. So I will have both of those presets in this video. We're gonna start off with Buddy Buddy, so if you guys haven't heard this song, this is Buddy Buddy by VAX.
I've been trying to not be discreet, girl. When I see you across the street, girl, the sight of me with another don't make me girl. These bitches way too pretty, yeah, for me, girl. Need how to dance, no less, oh yes. Spread them on my hands and chest, oh yes. Need to get a palette, touch no crest. Let me on the mic and the do best. Summer long gone, did feel my neck. Summer long gone, did feel my neck. Get pop along, get cheese like that. My time to shine, let's go and say that. Bitch, I know that I'm cold. Fuck a rose, you a whore. And I got someone new, and she's better than you. From my right, I'm a fight. I will die in vain. And it's all for her. Oh, it's all for her.
Okay, and now that you guys have heard the original song, I'm gonna go ahead and turn off all of these presets and show you guys what my raw vocals sound like, so you guys can get a good idea of what this preset is doing to my vocals. So this is what my raw vocals sound like. Okay, I think we've heard enough of that. Now I'm going to turn on all these presets and show you everything I did. For the song Buddy Buddy, I also included the sample. Since the AI vocal splitter took out the sample, I actually resampled this. This is what was sampled in the original song. So I got it in here and I made a little Bit Crush preset for the sample. And then I also did this little intro vocal that VAX did, and then I threw in Waz tag down here. So I'm gonna play it from right here because you don't need to hear the whole song.
I've been trying to not be discreet, girl. And I seen you across the street, girl. The sight of me with another don't make me bow. These bitches way too buddy, yeah, for me, girl. You know the days don't last, oh yes. Spread them on my hands and chest, oh yes. Need to get a plate like two, no craze. Let me on the mic in the studio best. Summer long gone, do you feel my neck? Summer long gone, do you feel my neck? Get purple on, get she like that. My time to shine, let's go out that bed. Don't look into these other eyes, they'll freeze you like you see Medusa. I already told you that I cut some ties, I might be like I ain't even know ya. You went and tarnished your image like why? Like brother, I can't even boost ya. I done let him in the street, that why? I wanted to be on the news, yeah. Wanted to be on the news. Fuck it, I might go get way too abused. Oh, I don't follow the rules. Do what I please and I do what I choose. I'm sick and tired of all of the lies. Said that I didn't want to lose you. Said I was cool off of your life before, but bitch, now I know that I'm cooler. Bitch, I know that I'm cool. Fuck around, you're a hoe. And I got some new. And she better than you. From my wife, I'ma fight. I won't die in vain. And it's all for her. Oh, it's all for her.
So yeah, I basically did the entire song. This song is just really good, and also I wanted to make sure I showed you guys this little thing that's over here. For the little singing part in this, he has like a deep voice delay going on, so like if I mute the beat, I'll show you guys this real quick. You can hear the delays pitched, and to do that I used the stock pitch shifter. He probably uses something different, but I wanted to keep this all stock for you guys. So yeah, it's just a delay with a pitch shifter and a little stereo enhanced so it's in both ears. Nothing too crazy. And then it's an automation clip that all the automation clip does is it just turns up the delay and then turns it back down. And then there's another automation clip in the intro here, and this one's also really simple. All this one is doing is turning down this delay right here on the VAX intro preset, and yeah, that just gives this kind of intro effect.
These bitches way too buddy, yeah, for me, girl.
And I don't think I got that perfect, but you know, I did what I could. I just wanted to get this preset out for you guys. Speaking of which, all of these presets will be completely free in the Discord. We'll talk more about that later. And yeah, the only other thing I have to show you guys for this song is the auto-tune settings. So for this song, the key was G minor and it was detuned 432 hertz. And it was a reset speed of 0 and a humanize of 0 for both the main and the intro. This detune is really important. If you are using just a regular beat that has no detune, this needs to be 440. It's only 432 for this song because the beat was detuned. If you don't know how to find detune, auto key, which comes with auto tune, this is really helpful. Right here it says A equals and then it'll tell you the detune. So if you play this song, it'll say G minor A equals 432, and that's how you know the detune. That is very important. If you're using just a regular beat, change it to 440 and then change the key. Oh, one last thing I need to show you before we get to the next song. This main is connected to the reverb, delay, and deep voice delay at 100% on all of these. So when you get these presets loaded in, all you have to do is load in all 4 of these and then click on the main and then click on these 3 arrows right here underneath the reverb, delay, and deep voice delay. So I believe that is all for that song. We're gonna go ahead and get into the next song. If you guys haven't heard this song yet, this is So Good by VAX.
When it's all said and done, they gon' know who the one, they gon' know who the one. When it's all said and done, they gon' know who the one, they gon' know who the one. Feel so good. Most niggas swear I act with love. Yeah, bands I wanna get out of bands. I want money and love. In my life it that much. Flex up on a bit, I'ma flex up on it. I want it more. Shit not enough.
So yeah, now that you guys have heard So Good, like always, I'm gonna go ahead and turn off all these presets and show you guys my raw vocals. Okay. That's enough of that. Let's turn on all these presets, and now you guys can hear what my VAX Blue Dawn presets sound like.
When it's all said and done, they don't know the one, they don't know the one. When it's all said and done, they don't know the one, they don't know the one. When I prove I'm wrong, it's gon' feel so good. Most people wear I put for her. Yeah, bands I want them, yeah, all the bands I want them. Money and love in my life, is that a must? Flex up on them, bitch, I'ma flex up on them. I want it more. She not enough.
Okay, so that is what my VAX Blue Dawn presets sound like. And yeah, like I said before, I use this song So Good. Like I said before, I don't think it's perfect, but for a stock preset, I think you guys should be able to use this and make some good music. Something I do want to mention, if you use this preset, you do want to turn your input gain down quite a bit. When I was recording with it, I turned my input gain to about 40 or 50%. If you have an interface, just turn the knob down. If you have a USB mic, you want to go into your sound settings, go down here to where it says input, scroll down here and turn down this volume like this. Basically what that does is it'll let less background noise into your mic and it'll just kind of smooth out the preset and sound better. So I'll just go ahead and show you guys what it sounds like if you use this preset with like a high mic gain. So I'm going to turn my gain up super loud and just show you. It'll probably hurt my ears, but it's fine.
Okay, so this is the preset at about 40%. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the delay off. This is what it sounds like when I'm talking in the preset at about 40%. If I turn this up, it's just gonna get worse and worse sounding until eventually, this is what the preset sounds like. And nobody wants a preset that sounds like this. So if your preset sounds like that, turn your mic gain down and it should sound a lot better. Also, if you're having issues recording in FL and hearing yourself without latency, what you want to do is you want to go to your audio settings, and here you'll see my device. I'm using my SSL, which is the interface I use. If you guys have a Focusrite, it'll say Focusrite. If you don't have an interface, you want to use either ASIO for all or Flex ASIO. Those are two that you can get lower latency with. You want your buffer length to be around 128. You could go down to 64, but I wouldn't go below 64. Basically, the lower this is, the less latency you will have. I don't know why I did this whole segment in the preset. Hopefully it sounds okay in the video, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to record with the preset while I'm here. So I'm gonna mute these main vocals and I'm just gonna show you how you record. Literally all you do after you have the input set, I have mine set to input 1 because that's what I'm plugged into on my interface. And then all you do is press this record button and press the space bar.
When it's all said and done, they don't know the one, they don't know the one, nah.
Okay, we're gonna ignore the fact that took me like 15 tries.
And we're gonna go back to talking in OBS. Let me delete this. But yeah, that's what you want to do to record in FL. The only other things I have to show you guys real quick is the auto-tune settings for this song. So this song was in the key of D flat major with the retune speed of 0 and a humanize of 0. And for the ad-libs, I did the exact same settings on both of them. So yeah, they're all set to 0 retune speed, 0 humanize. The only other thing I have to show you guys about this song is the main is connected to the reverb and the delay at 100% the same way as the other one. So all you have to do when you drag these presets in is click on the main, click on these two arrows, and that's it. Everything's set up. And if you want more reverb, you could turn this reverb up. If you want more or less delay, you could turn it up or down as well. And yeah, all of these presets will be completely free. The only presets here that aren't free are the master preset, and for both of these I did use my Best Waves master preset, which is on my website benevolent.shop for $10. But if you'd rather get both of these FLPs as well as 2 templates that come with all of the presets you see here, one for So Good and one for Buddy Buddy, as well as my Best Waves master preset and my Best Stock master preset for those of you guys that don't have Waves plugins, all of that will be on my website for just $15. And also I just want to say thank you so much to all of the people that have supported me on this journey. It's been a little over 2 years now since I started making presets, and it's just been a crazy journey. In May, me, Lilith, and Slaughter switched to Shopify, and the support you guys have shown us this month has been insane. And the fact that I've only posted 1 video and I haven't even stayed consistent on TikTok or Instagram, and I'm still making enough to live is just amazing. So thank you guys for all the support. And yeah, this month I'm gonna try my best not to slack so much. I'm gonna try to get you guys at least 1 video a week. At least, because that's the least I could do for you guys. And if you guys have any suggestions for presets, leave them in the comments. I'm gonna try to start doing more and more suggestions, and I know you guys have been asking for a VAX preset forever, so hopefully this was good enough of a preset for you guys that have been asking for this. But if you guys just want the free presets, as always, that's completely fine. All you have to do is go to the Discord linked in the description, scroll down here to where it says Benevolent Presets, and then you'll see all these VAX presets right here. And if you scroll up, there is hundreds of free presets, so go get some presets. Also, if you search in the top in hashtag benevolent presets and then type whatever artist name you're looking for, you can find the presets that way as well. So if you're looking for a specific artist, you could do that. Also, I do want to mention we have some new plugins on benevolent.shop. Lilith just made an all-in-one plugin, and me and him made a UGFX plugin about a month ago. I mentioned that in my last video, but I'm planning on making a new video on that soon. But yeah, go check those out as well. I have those linked in the description. Yeah, I don't think I have much else to say, but if this video was helpful in any way, please leave a like, comment which artist you want to see next, and subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching. That's been it. Peace.